Innovation Lab is in all of our buildings, and it provides an opportunities for teachers to be able to bring their students to work on innovative STEM activities. With me is Miss Michelle Costello. She is a professional development leader for Meteor Education, and she has been supporting Poughkeepsie City School District with getting the innovation labs ready.
Meteor Education has been working with Poughkeepsie School District for several years. So it started out just listening in and seeing what you actually wanted to accomplish for these spaces, and then working with the designer and with the district to pick out the most beneficial pieces that were going to achieve that for you.
The Innovation Lab provides a novel area with different colors, different lighting, different rearrangeable furniture.
So it's something where they can work hands-on, which is already exciting, in a different environment. So they're like, yay, we get to go to the Innovation Lab. So it's something to look forward to and get them out of their normal traditional classroom setting.
Today's work was with supporting our Innovation Lab managers, who are now going to be helping to support our work here.
So these leaders are going to be really important to really get this space to its full potential. My role today was to help them think a little bit and plan for how they're going to put systems in place to be able to use this space, and to help their staff and their teachers really allow the kids to come in and explore and really be able to change around the environment, to use different units of study within, to use different materials.
Thinking about an innovation lab itself, just think, what do you notice that's different? You already alluded to a lot of things that you're thinking in your head, right? So you envision it being different than the regular classroom.
We really talked about being able to let the students and the teachers be able to collaborate in their planning and using it, and having all the materials accessible to the kids so that they can really use it as discovery.
Today we learned how to use the tools given to us in the Innovation Lab to collaborate with teachers and bring students out of their classroom in one space that can reach multiple grade levels working on one skill.
This space is going to allow students to ask questions, answer questions. We're going to get into experiments, long-term projects. This space allows us to get messy. It opens up a range of opportunities for our students to explore and answer questions.
One of the things that I was really impressed with this group of managers and these teacher leaders is that they took it upon themselves to share their information, to really have discussion and help each other, and what best practices they might help support. They're creating a Google Doc and a shared drive so that when something really good happens in one building that they identified, they might be able to share and just spread that across the whole district.